Hey, all you budding golf stars, I'm here to take you from zero to hero on the golf course with a twist of humor. Let's tee off with some common swing problems that might make you laugh, but trust me, we'll fix them in no time. First up, the grip. If you're holding your golf club like you're ready to knock one out of the park in baseball, we need to chat. Your golf club isn't a bat, buddy. Instead, let's relax those hands. Place your left hand at the top of the club, right hand just below, and form a V with your thumbs. This isn't just fancy golf talk, it's your first step to a grip that won't embarrass you. Now, let's talk posture. Looking like you're in a bell tower searching for Esmeralda isn't going to do wonders for your swing. Straighten up, champ. Stand tall, back straight, knees slightly bent, and feet shoulder width apart. Think of it as preparing to sit on an imaginary high stool, classy and upright. Moving on to my overzealous swingers. If you're swinging so hard you're about to launch into orbit, remember, we're playing golf, not trying to crack the Earth's crust. Keep it smooth and controlled, pull the club back just until it's parallel to the ground, then swing through like you're moving through syrup. Slow and steady wins the race and doesn't end with you in a dizzy heap. Eyes on the ball, folks. If you're looking around like you're on a nature hike, let's refocus. Keep your gaze locked on that little white ball like it owes you money. This alone will skyrocket the quality of your contact. Lastly, let's address that seasick weight transfer. If you feel like you're swaying on the deck of a ship, it's time to anchor down. Start with your weight on your back foot, then as you swing, smoothly roll it to your front foot. It's like a dance move, the golf boogie if you will. There you have it. Armed with these tips and a dash of humor, you're all set to hit those greens with newfound confidence. Now go save On golf clubs and accessories with the link in description. 4. Remember, a good laugh and regular practice can make all the difference. And hey, why not share this video with all your 4 golf buddies? Let's spread the joy and the skills. 4.